The objective of Imagination Drone Camp is to get kids with an interest in drones to build and test and fly and see if they're interested in doing this in the future. One of the things we wanted to do here for the drone camp was give a broader exposure to aerospace engineering. A good activity we had in mind was a rocket build. We had the students build model rocket kits and then we had them launch them off. We have a great advisor named Bob Schoner who supervises and gives a really good presentation on high-powered rocketry. Students grow a lot during the drone camp. When they first come here, they're very timid, both with each other and with the drones and equipment they're using to build.
It's kind of frustrating because the first and second attempts just did not work. Some parts I accidentally messed up. I had to restart once. You just gotta kind of keep going forward.
As the week progresses, you see they become a lot better friends, and then they get a lot more comfortable and a lot more confident with the drones they're operating.
We think that the wires were touching. We got a new starter, and then we launched it. You just gotta flip the switches, take a countdown, push the button, and pray that it works. I wanted it to blow up, but I know that's illegal, so, you can't always have what you want.